Alright, so in this video we are going to look at finding the volume of either a square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid. So the formula for that is 1/3 times the area of the base, which is big B, times the height of the pyramid, which is h. Right, so very similar to the prism formula, except we have a 1/3 out in the front. So now we have our formula ready to go. We just have to make our substitutions for B and H. So what I'm going to do is replace those variables with sets of parentheses so that we can substitute in. Again, B is the area of the base, so you need to be able to find the base in your pyramid, which in this case it is a square pyramid, so the base is the square at the bottom. And again, I know that it's a square, not a rectangle, because both side lengths are 4, meaning sides are the same, has to be a square. So the way that you find the area is by taking 4 times 4. Again, length times width. And then h, which is the height of the pyramid, they have to give you a vertical line marking. So in this case, they tell you that that is 3 yards. That's going to be the height of the pyramid. So that's what we substitute in for h. Again, now we just have to simplify a bit. 1/3 will stay the same. It always is 1/3 for a pyramid. The only thing that we can really simplify so far is 4 times 4, which gives us 16. The height still stays as 3. If we take this product, put it into our calculator, this will give us an answer of 16 for volume. And again, our units are yards to the third, which is cubic yards. And that is how you find the volume of any pyramid.